Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Special stay vacancy round for NEET PG 2022 result is published, and as per the result I'm sharing you the cutoff branch wise. Okay, for all the clinical, for all India quota 50%, DNB and NB diploma for all these three types of courses for clinical branches. Before that, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel and you can contact us for the paid counseling guidance on the number given 9319128677. And if you look at the radio diagnosis, the seat was available in only general category. It got allotted on the rank of 4691. So candidates, there were around 20 candidates under 10,000 rank, and yeah, and there were many candidates up to 20,000 rank. The candidate who was having just 2,000 rank, who they were also available, and they participated and got the seat. So those who have got the seat, they must join, else they won't be eligible for NEET PG 2023. And on top of that, 50,000 security deposit also be penalized. Okay, in case they join, they can still participate in NEET PG 2023, and the condition is they need to pay the penalty if applicable, and then they can get the certificates back and they can attend the 23 next year counseling and can get the better seats. And there are few candidates who got a seat wrongly because due to some server error they couldn't they assume that they have deleted some of the option, but the option didn't get deleted and they didn't check back the final choice filling, and mistakenly have they got from some branches like that. Okay, so nothing can be done because they know that they assume that you have checked it and then fill the choices. So these are the cutoff. General medicine went up to 10,679, in general category. Pediatrics up to 12,500, OBG up to 13,000, orthopedics up to 16,000 approx, TB and chest up to 15,000, general surgery up to 17,000 approx, psychiatry up to 26,000, ophthalmology up to 29,300, ENT up to 32,000 approx, and anesthesia up to 35,500, radio oncology up to 33,800, emergency medicine up to 60,500, pathology up to just qualifying as for 90,000. Let's look at DNB cutoff. This is DNB cutoff, and all the branches were not available in DNB. Dermatology was only available in EWS, which got over up to 19,000. General medicine went up to 17,800. So the candidate who missed out, because general medicine, pediatrics, these are the subjects, they have good passing percentage, and they there is no problem in going for like under average institute also. After that, you can do 1 year of SRship and it will be equivalent in all the specs with MD. Pediatrics went up to 20,000, beyond 20,000. OBGY up to 23,490. Orthopedics up to 30,000. TB and chest up to 18,658. General surgery went up to 25,343. So I came to know many candidates who just missed the target they are able to get in this counseling. And ophthalmology went up to 39,000 approx, ENT up to 34,674, anesthesia 42,000, radio oncology 44,000, emergency medicine 32,349, and so on. Let's look at the cutoff for NB diploma. So this is cutoff for NB diploma. Radio diagnosis was only available in OBC category, which was closed up to rank of 22,937. Pediatrics up to 50,000, OBGY 38,000, family medicine up to just qualifying score, okay, which went up to 1,36,000. TB and chest up to 45,000, ophthalmology just qualifying, ENT just qualifying, anesthesia just qualifying. So those who were not able to get, they have got the seat. Mostly pediatrics, those who were having 40,000 plus rank, they would have got the seat, and big congratulations to them. If you were not confident with the preparation, so this was the good opportunity but still there are so many non-clinical seats are vacant, because more than 2200 seats were there and 1000 something seats got acquired. So still seats are there, but it will be ultimately wasted, because every year most of the non-clinical seats goes vacant like that. So this is all from my side. If you have any kind of like suggestion you need regarding preparation and you want to avail our paid counseling guidance, you can consult us on the number given in the description. You can also join our Telegram group. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.